so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Today, you and I are gonna draw T.A.B.S. T.A.B.S is my cat friend, who's also a robot. So to draw T.A.B.S, I'm actually gonna draw T.A.B.S in the color orange. And then first, I'm gonna draw her body, just like this. Ooh, her ears, ooh, a very white body, another ear. And then for her face, ooh, she is so cute, just so happy all the time. And then a big smile with the tongue. There we go. And for her arms, we'll do some ovals, just like that. Yeah, hey kitty cat, hey kitty cat. A big circle right there. Ooh, and what else does she need? She needs some ears right there, some feet right here. Whoa, look at her go! She is so cute. And you can't forget about the swirls right here. Hey, and cats also have tails. Yeah, T.A.B.S does. All right, there we go. And some lines right here on the side. If you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning